Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science and GATE Computer Science students. So in today topic, I'll be explain you what is Turing machine, how to construct it. Okay, so and then its definition. Here construct Turing machine for a language L, which have a power n followed by b power n followed by c power n, such that n greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so for that you want to construct the Turing machine. Okay, so it's very simple only, and we know what is Turing machine. Turing machine is infinite tape, maybe multi-tape, multi-track tape, single track tape, and to solve this problem we need only single track tape. And what is the beauty of this particular Turing machine is it have tape with finite length in both left side as well as right direction, and we want to move from left to right as it is. And if you are taking any language as per this specification, for example, if you are substituting n as 2 here, we will be getting 2a followed by 2b followed by 2c. Okay, so I can mention here. Okay, so 2a followed by 2b followed by 2c, and remaining we want to fill with empty symbols, blank symbols. Okay, so now your finite control is here and it recognizing a. Okay, so now what is the Turing machine function here is nothing but it has to recognize exactly 2a followed by 2b followed by 2c, and then it has to accept it. Okay, so that is the need of this particular Turing machine. Now it recognizing a, then it has to replace this a by capital A. Okay, then it moving to right direction. Okay, now if you are recognizing one a, single a, it has to recognize further single b followed by single c, and in between if you have any other symbols, it has to without replacing with output tape symbol, it has to keep as it is. Okay, so now what do you want to do? So after single a replaced by capital A, then you want to, your target should be this small b. Okay, so now in between we have any number of small a there, then you want to skip that. Okay, so for that I wrote from q0 accepting a replaced by capital A and reaching right direction to q1. Here to differentiate actual input symbol and replaced by recognized output symbol, I'm having capital E. Okay, so that is like that. If you are recognizing small b, you want to replace by capital B. Okay, like that. If you are having small c, replace by capital C, like that you want to do. Okay, so now here we reached q1, and again any number of small a will be there. We want to introduce self loop a by small a itself right direction. Okay, now we are in q1 itself. Okay, so if you are not able to understand, I mentioned here. Okay, so from q0 accepting a, it goes to q1 and replace a small a by capital A, and then we are in right direction. Okay, from q1 accepting small a, it come in the sense, so we want to go to q1 itself and then replace small a by small a itself. Okay, we should not touch this a before accepting single small b as well as single small c. Okay, and we are moving right direction. Okay, so like that from q1 accepting b, small b, we want to replace by capital B, because first time we are recognizing this small b, so we are moving to q2. Okay, now what happened, which mean we traveled here, so now this b is replaced by capital B. Now we are moving to right direction. Again b is there. Now what I want to do, we want to do self loop. Okay, so self loop, we are without touching, we are reaching here. Now C is recognizing so then it should be replaced by capital C. Okay, so now we recognize A, B, C one time. Our target is you want to recognize next small a followed by next small b followed by next small c. Okay, so I want to come back left direction. Okay, so now for if you are coming to left direction, we go to Q3. Okay, so now what happened? And you want to you want to go up to where we want to go actually now is nothing but from here we want to cross all these symbols and you have to reach here. Capital A you want to reach here. Okay, so for that I'm having the direction, so to move back I'm having the left direction. Okay, what maybe you see here is small b. Okay, then without touching it you want to replace with same symbol and again coming there. Okay, then what happen? So you may crossing capital B, then you want to come to left direction. Okay, and you may be crossing small a. So if we should not modify the direction once we reach the small a. Okay, because in between this capital A, this small a, any number of small a will be there. Okay, in order to skip such a things, we need to we need to reach up to this first recognize, otherwise latest recognize capital A. Okay, so now for that I have so suppose we are recognizing after reaching left like that, if you are recognizing capital A, then immediately you want to move to right direction. Okay, so now again it will start. Okay, so now we are after recognizing this capital A, we are moving right direction. Immediately you may be having small a or capital A. Okay, okay, so now we are reaching small a. So for that what happen, again this self loop that this particular loop will repeated for recognizing single small a by capital A. And then what happen, so what will you are getting, so immediately after recognizing this second a itself. Okay, so this self loop not having input here. Okay, so now in that case we have capital B, so now immediately we want to write down capital B replaced by capital B and moving right direction, because our target is you want to recognize second B. Okay, in between you have capital B, you want to replace same capital B by same capital B, then we are reaching here. So now what happens, small b occur, so we want to replace this by capital B. Okay, after that what happen, we are not having small b further. Okay, so then you want to write down one more transition here. We may come across capital C replace by capital C and moving right direction. Okay, after that we will be getting small c, it should be replaced by capital C. Okay, now what happened, you want to come to reverse order. Why? So because we recognize second A, second B, second C. Okay, so that is actually string you want to recognize. Okay, so then you have to go to final state. Okay, so in that case what happened, if you are moving left side. Okay, now what you can come across. Okay, so previous capital C there. Okay, so I want to write down capital C by left direction. Okay, so after that you will be having capital B left direction. After that we will be having we are immediately getting what, capital A. After come across all the capital B, capital C, small a, so for this situation we may not get a further small a, because we limited to A, to B, to C. Okay, so now what happened, after crossing such a things, and we will be reaching this position. Okay, after crossing capital A, capital C, capital B, you'll be reaching here. Once we are here, so now we try to move to right direction, but no symbol there. Okay, so now are you getting a nut? Okay, so here I reached this position with help of this transition. Okay, I'll be here Q0. Okay, now I try to move to right direction, but right direction no small a there. Okay, now what you want to, so what will be there? So there will be a capital B. Okay, so now you want to write down, have the construction like that from Q0 to Q4. Okay, so now again we are moving right direction. What will be, are getting again small, capital B there, and then capital C there. For that you want to draw the self loop. Okay, so now finally when it will halt. Okay, so we are crossing only all capital A, capital B, capital C. Then if you are moving right direction, we will be seeing this blank symbol. Once we have blank symbol, okay, then what happen is our taken input is very correct, and then constructed Turing machine is very correct, and we safely reached blank symbol. Then you want to move either left or right direction, and you want to draw one state, final state for that. Okay, so we have to stop here. Okay, so if you are taking any wrong input, for example, 3 small a, 2 small b, 1 small c. Okay, this is not a proper input string for this language. If you are try to substitute of this input string in this particular input tape, surely finally it may be in any particular location other than reaching blank state or blank input symbol. Okay, so you can check, very simple. Okay, for small a accepting here, it reach here, small b also there, it reach here, one time it go and up to here. Okay, then we are moving back, and if you are coming back, what happen, you'll be reaching second time. Okay, and again second b occur. After that it will be moving to right direction. Small capital C there, right direction. Once it go there, you will be having blank symbol. Okay, so now blank symbol will be recognized only in this area. Okay, where we want to actually accepting blank symbol here. Okay, but it reach here, it checking the state. Okay, actually Q5 is final state, it checking. After here it will try to reach here. For that it reaching Q3 is not final state. Okay, so in that case definitely what happened, it will be reaching this blank symbol, but this blank symbol not reaching the state is called Q5, so it never accept it. Okay, so actually if you are trying to draw the very proper Turing machine, then it will accept only valid string, it never accept invalid string. Okay, so this way you want to understand. Thank you for watching.